we have got alternate band of high and low pressure. So I would like you to basically draw a map for yourself, and we can see that this is equatorial low pressure. The similar thing happens on both sides of it, ELP, and then we have got STHP, subtropical high pressure. Then you have got subpolar low pressure and polar high pressure. And I suppose needless to mention that you have got the winds are moving from those high pressure to low pressure. Like on this side of equator, again will be same STHP. Same thing will repeat here as subpolar low pressure, and the same thing will repeat on this side also as polar high pressure. And I would like you to understand that the winds are moving from high pressure to low pressure, and then the winds basically would move not as a straight line because of the Coriolis forces, because the earth rotating in this manner. So what you have got, the winds are coming like this. Instead of this, it is coming like this direction. And then similarly you can have the opposite sides also, subpolar low pressure. And then we have got from these two sides, we have got polar easterlies, that they would also be coming in this manner. So we have got these names are given to this winds. These winds, in response to the permanent pressure belts that we have on Earth, are named differently, like easterlies, polar easterlies, subtropical, and then the like we have got. This map is also given, which explained to you for that here. But there are also seasonal winds. Seasonal winds, like a typical example I can have of is our own monsoon. Monsoon is a seasonal wind. It's like when you have got the winds are coming onto India. We'll have a separate discussion on that in detail. But then for now you can understand monsoon is not a planetary wind. It is a kind of change with the season, when the sun rays move to the north or the south. Then in response to that, the winds move, and then those movement of winds will be called as seasonal wind. Remember one thing, wind as we understand is like horizontal displacement of air is called as wind, while vertical displacement of air will be called as current. And then that's where we have got, like you have got the wind coming from on the surface, from subtropical high pressure to equatorial low pressure. Now this wind will go up because they all have been accumulating here, and as they go up, they will go in reverse direction and then fall somewhere here. So one small concept I like you to learn here is that when the winds are rising from the ground up, they are at that place making low pressure. And when they go up in the sky, they may have to think about the third dimension of it. As the wind have converged to a common point, this is a low pressure, but then if they all low pressure converge and they stay there, it will become high pressure. So what happens, this is like a hotter area, so the air moves up and makes a high pressure here, from where the winds will be diverging in different direction, and when they're sinking, needless to mention, they'll become a high pressure again.